There. In today's video, I will be teaching you how to create anchors on your page. An anchor is a link that can go from one point to a specific location on an entirely new page, or it can take you from a link to a specific point within the same page. As an example, here I am on my home page. If I scroll down, I can select the anchor link, and this is going to take me to a specific point on a new page. So it takes me from my home page to my test page to this anchor point that I've created at the bottom. If I scroll up, I can break a page into sections or topics. So if I have a client or customer that just wants to see a specific idea or topic or bit of information, I can create anchors to those specific points. So if I just want to see something that relates to topic C, I would create an anchor for topic C. I would create a link, and then when I click on topic C, it takes me to the paragraph on that same page that has to deal with that specific topic. I can go up. If I want to see anything about topic A, I would click this, and it will take me to that first paragraph. So in order to do this, we are going to go into page content, which is in your WWC panel for your website. When you've logged in, you'll see all your modules. You're going to go to your page content module, the page that you wish to create the anchor on. So I'm going to go to test page. I'm going to click manage content for this page, which is the first icon. I'm going to clone the live version of the page, and then I'm going to edit the clone. Scroll down on the page, you will see we have red flag icons. These are the icons that represent the anchors that are on my page. So we have topic A, B, and C, and then my anchor point at the very bottom of the page. To create an anchor, you're going to place your cursor where you want it to go. So it can go at the beginning of a sentence, in the middle, or at the end of a paragraph, and you also anchor to a specific image. So I'm going to place my cursor at the end of this sentence, and I'm going to create my anchor by selecting the anchor icon here, which is to the left of source. Will come up asking for the anchor name, so I will paste in or write in my anchor name, which needs to be all lowercase and not use spaces, so you'll be using hyphens in between each word. And then you're going to want to copy this and keep it either in a notepad or just keep it copied into your clipboard. And when you're done creating the name, you will hit OK. As you can see, I now have the red flag icon to indicate this is where my anchorage point is. So if I'm linking within the same page, I can then just go up to the top of the page. I'm going to click here, and I'm going to write what my link is going to be. So I'm going to write link, and then I'm going to link. I'm going to select the linking icon, and then I will hit Browse Server. Since I am linking within the same page, I'm going to go to the Pages tab, and I'm going to select Test Page, and then it will autofill the URL, and then after the HTM, I'm going to put the pound symbol, and then I'm going to add in the name of my anchor. So the URL should read testpage.htm #anchor-name. When you're done, you're going to hit OK. And then if you click off, this will now have the hyperlink formatting to it, which indicates that I have linked this correctly. So I will select yes, make this version active, and I'm going to hit save. So now when I go to my home page, and I'm going to hit refresh, I can now see I have my link here, and when I click on it, it's going to take me to that bottom portion of the page, to that anchor I just created. As you can see. If I wanted to create an anchor that takes me from one page to a new page, you would do a similar process. So if I go to Pages, I'm going to manage content for this page on home, and I'm going to clone the version I want to make the link on, hit the pencil, scroll down. I'm going to add my link. I will do the same process, so I'm going to highlight the word I want to link, select the link icon. I'm going to hit Browse Server, And then I'm going to find the page that my anchor is on. So I'm going to click test page. It will autofill in the URL. I then add the pound symbol and the name of my anchor and hit OK. So now I am linking from my home page to my test page. So I will hit make this version active and hit save. I'm going to go to my home page. Click on my link. And this takes me to my anchor point at the bottom of the page. You don't have to just link text. You can also link an image if you want to have that be the anchor point. So if I go to my test page, I'm going to clone it. I'm going to hit the pencil. And then I can scroll down and I can make this image an anchor point. So if I click on the image, which will either make it entirely blue to show that it's been highlighted and selected, or as I'm on Firefox, it will show these white dots that kind of highlight the whole image. Here I will select the anchor button while the image is selected, add the name of my anchor, select OK, and then you'll see I now have an anchor point created beside the picture. So this would be if you want your anchor point to be slightly above where the text is, or if you just want to link to a specific image to show an example of what you're talking about in image form, that is how you would do this process. If you have any questions about what you've seen today, don't hesitate to reach out to us at support, and hope to hear from you soon.